Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Preeti's English Journey. Let's dive in once again, just like before. When I look at the mirror, then imagine I am the audience who is questioning. When I look at you, I am the Preeti who is responding and answering my question. So let's start. Hello, how are you, Preeti? You are looking good. Are you here? Yes, I am here. I am good. What about you? I am also good. I am also excited for this conversation with you. Oh, that's nice. I am also excited to be have this conversation with you. Then, okay, it's good. But I have the question for you. That what's the topic of the day today? Hmm, that's pretty and nice question. That's the topic is money, the fascinating topic. Oh, really? Money? I have so many questions for about the money, but I have to be say that why you chose this topic for the day. Please say me. I want to know about. It's good. Are you so much excited? I am seeing in your face that why I chose this topic for the day. There is two main reasons. First of all, there is so many people struggling with money, how to make money. They have so many thoughts about money. So I thought that I have to be research on it. Then I have to be say and so that and the second region that I yesterday I just listened a podcast from something bigger, and I learned about something about the money, and it's changed my perspective. So I wanted to share with my audience as well that what I learned from that podcast. Oh, really? It's so insightful. I'm also thinking about that. How can I become a millionaire, and also to achieve? How can I achieve the financial freedom? First of all, so definitely thank you for asking me this question, and I am also excited to answer this question. Sure. Uh, in yesterday podcast, I saw that financial freedom is myth. To achieve financial freedom is myth. Why? He said about it that when we think about the financial freedom, then we have the something XYZ amount in our mind that I have to be achieve this amount. Then we think about like after achieving that money, I will be freedom. I will achieve the financial freedom, right? But before that, we think about like opposite. We are the slave of the money. So when we think again and again about the money, that we are slave of this money, then how can we grow to the money? So it's important to break the cycle about thinking the money. It's about the satisfaction. What we have the money, you have to be satisfied first that I am able to achieve this amount of money, but I deserve more. This kind of the affirmation could help us to grow money. And the second lessons, whenever we buy something, we thought about like we are losing our money whenever we give to money, like I am paying 200 for this, but it's out of my pocket, then it's gone to others. We think about it like this. It's a very cost to be the person and also to the money. So give gratitude towards your money. What you have now, you have to be think that money that goes, it will come back to me. Money that grows, money I love to money grows, I love to grow. This kind of affirmation can help us to be not think like negative about the money, but also positive about the money. And the third, very important that we often think about to how to grow financially and how to earn more and more money, but we don't think about how to care people. So it's important to be giving attitude first. I care people. This affirmation also gives us that valuable that I care people. Eventually, people will come to me and I will serve by giving attitude. Then they will pay back me. That's the thing. There are the three things I said. If I summarize again what I say, that the first of all, be satisfied what you have money, because after getting the financial freedom I will be satisfied not. You have to be satisfied about the money first, that I am actually now I my salary is this amount and it's going to be bigger someday, one day. And the second things very important about the gratitude towards money, that's money grows go from my pocket, that will grow, love to grow, love to grow. Please you have to be say like hoponama to money, that I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. This kind of affirmation you can say to your money whenever you do transaction. And the third thing very important, that you have to be make the mindset about giving attitude, that whatever I have to be care about people first, then money will come back to me. These are the things I summarized, so it's helpful to you. Oh, nice. These are simple three things I can do. Then I will achieve money. Yeah, you definitely you can grow money as well. So thank you so much. I'm also grateful to you for to be part of me and joining me. That's the part. That's the I forgot what to say. Okay, I have to be leave now and see you soon in the next video. Bye.